Today I want to do something is regarding the drip. We can add in the effect of the drip. So here they have a different kind of the drip. So I will choose one or two from here to make this effect. After you click to make this effect, after you click this the drip effect, so the Canva will also show you the magic recommendation for your this effect. So I also selected have matching for this my 3D color topic. So I will select these two, and then I can scale down this size, and then can be coming this turn the left or right angle to slightly to adjust the matching I wanted. Or you also can adjust at your keyboard the arrow over there. And this one I also can apply to the location I want. So I can come here to flick it, then scale down the position I want, for example like this. Okay, since like this, I can click here the dripping effect, the picture, then I can come into this arrow. We can see the color, so I can select the color I want, like this one. Both of them I can select becoming this one, pink color. So the effect will be look like more okay. Then these two color I also can select like this, change the color I want, but you look like so not so natural. So I can click the Canva, this type, this text, and then I can choose ungroup. So now I want the first color, pink color group as pink color text, and then click this three dot, bring to font. So this is the okay, this is the final result, the Canva text dripping. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a like and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video soon. Bye bye.